AudaCity Capital, and today I will be explaining our funded trader program, the application process, and what happens once you get an account. Before you apply, you will need to have a 3 to 6 month plus long track record of trading live. This is because we do not have any challenges or demo trials. Once you pass the interview process with AudaCity Capital, you will get your account and you will be able to start trading. You can apply for the funded trader program on our website at audacitycapital.co.uk. When you apply, you will be asked to supply your details and fill out a short questionnaire about your trading history and experience. Shortly after, our talent acquisition team will contact you to schedule an interview. This interview is because we, again, do not use demo accounts or challenges. It is to interview you to make sure you're a profitable trader and right for our company. The maximum risk exposure gets doubled with the account size as soon as the target is reached. You're free to manage it how you like. You can open 5 0.1 or 10 0.05 lots. Please note, the lot size doubles at every 10% profit target reached. We do not use a retail broker, however we use an institutional liquidity provider that allows us to benefit from a deep liquidity in the market with no commissions or swaps on trades and tight spreads. You're also allowed to keep your trades open overnight. However, if you would like to keep your position open over the weekend, you must email our support team who will pass this on to our risk management team. The risk management team will review your position and accept or deny your request to keep your position open for the weekend. Once you have hit your 10% profit target, you email our support team who will start with the doubling and the profit split process. We split our profits 50-50 with our traders. As stated before, when you hit your 10% profit target, we double your account. So this goes from $15,000 to $30,000. We aim to pay your profits and double your account on the same day, and we can pay you via PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill or Bitcoin. We will then double the lot size in your account from 0.5 on the $15,000 account to 2.0 on the $30,000 account. This continues to go up and double every time you hit your 10% profit target. Once your account has doubled to $30,000, the 10% profit target process will start again. So you will need to get 10% profit target of your $30,000 account. Once you hit this, it will double to 60, then to 120, then to 240, and then $500,000. We have over 700 traders globally on our funded trader program, with some just starting out on a $15,000 account and some on the $500,000 mark. We also have a support system and social media to help you with your trading if you have any questions or queries. If you have any other questions about our trading process, please contact us at AudaCity Capital on Facebook or Instagram, or email info@audacitycapital.co.uk.